Welcome back to InvestoSphere, the channel where we explore the smartest and most sustainable ways to grow your income in today's digital world. Today's topic is something that excites thousands of creators around the globe: how to sell your music online and turn your passion into profit. Whether you're a seasoned producer or just starting out, this guide is designed to walk you through everything you need to know to make money from your music in the digital age, with no fluff and no gimmicks. Let's dive deep into the music monetization ecosystem and turn your talent into a thriving business. Number 1. Understanding the modern music landscape. The shift from traditional labels to digital platforms. Why independent artists are earning more than ever before. The importance of branding in music. The difference between streaming royalties, licensing, and direct sales. Building long-term career versus viral fame. Number 2. Creating marketable music. Define your niche and audience. Invest in quality production, tools, producers, software. Creating multiple versions, instrumental, a cappella, radio edit. Importance of metadata, title, ISRC codes, genre tagging. Number 3. Building your brand as an artist. Create a strong, consistent artist identity. Build a personal website with an EPK, electronic press kit. Have a social media presence on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Collaborate with influencers and creators. Use storytelling to connect emotionally with listeners. Number 4. Choosing where to sell your music. Direct-to-fan platforms, Bandcamp, Selfie, Gumroad. Streaming and distribution platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal via DistroKid, TuneCore, CD Baby. Licensing platforms, Audio Jungle, Pond 5, Artlist, Epidemic Sound. Music sync agencies and libraries for films, ads, games. Selling beats and loops, BeatStars, Airbit, TrackTrain. Number 5. How to price your music strategically. One-time sale versus subscription models. Free plus premium tiered pricing strategy. Offering bundles. Song plus stems plus license. Discounts, limited offers, seasonal sales. Number 6. How to promote your music online. Social media strategy. Teaser clips, release countdowns, live sessions. Email marketing. Build a fan list and nurture it. SEO for music. Using search-optimized titles and tags. Music blogs, Reddit threads, niche communities. Submit to Spotify playlists, YouTube channels, TikTok creators. Number 7. Monetization beyond music sales. Merchandising, t-shirts, posters, vinyls. Fan subscriptions, Patreon, Ko-Fi, Buy Me a Coffee. Affiliate marketing in your niche. Virtual concerts and live stream tips. Coaching or selling production, music creation courses. Number 8. Legal aspects you must know. Copyright registration and ownership rights. Collecting royalties through pros. ASCAP, BMI, SESAC. Understanding sync and mechanical licenses. Contracts with collaborators and producers. Protecting your brand and content legally. Success stories. Independent artists who made it big without a label. Artists making full-time income from licensing. Niche producers earning from beat-selling platforms. How consistency and strategy outperforms talent alone. Your first 30-day action plan. Week 1. Finalize 1 to 2 high-quality tracks. Week 2. Create assets, website, socials, EPK. Week 3. Sign up to distribution and licensing platforms. Week 4. Launch with a small budget ad campaign plus organic push. And there you have it. A complete roadmap to selling your music online and building a real income stream from your passion. Remember, this journey is not just about talent. It's about strategy, consistency, and connecting with your audience. If you learned something new today, show your support by hitting the like button. Subscribe to InvestoSphere for more deep dive content on digital income strategies. And don't forget to drop a comment below. What part of the process are you most excited to start with? If you've already started selling your music, we'd love to hear your experience. Share your story with us. Now, here's a question to leave you with. If you could collaborate with any artist to grow your online music presence, who would it be and why? Thanks for watching, and remember, Your passion can pay you. You just need to play it smart.